My next question to you, gentlemen, I think we have 15 more minutes. So we are going to talk about your consumer engagement strategy. I think you have a very, very strong purpose. You have your products laid out. And so how do you talk with your consumers? Like, what are some of the things that you are doing currently in order to make sure that you are in constant touch with your consumers, maybe through your email campaign, through your messaging? What are some of those unique things that you do to make sure that you have the highest retention? Uh, Maybe let me go to Roy this time.
So, I mean, one of the things that we had implemented and then we got just a little bit too busy, but we're putting back in place is every single person that is that purchases from us. We actually, one of my team members here, we write out a thank you letter and send it out to them. And it may be old school, but it's separating us from a lot of people out there. And
Mhm.
some people get it and it's nothing to them, and some of them get it and we earn their business. I mean, we tell them we're family owned and operated. You know, we thank them for their loyalty and we thank them for doing business with us.
Mhm.
We, especially during a pandemic, I mean, it's a true blessing there,
Yeah.
you know, that we are thriving and we're taking care of not only my team but the team's family. We're giving back to the community. So I think that's one of the just you very, very unique things that we do, that we, like you said, I mean, even as you grow, you never want to stop.
Yeah.
You know, we've had some tremendous growth spurts, so sometimes it gets in the way, but I think it separates us, you know, from you know, a lot of places. I mean, it's and I this I didn't come up with. I mean,
Mhm.
there was a gentleman that, you know, walked into an apparel store,
Yeah.
and I heard this, like, he walked into an apparel store and he went back outside and his battery was dead. And one of the guys in the store, they went and bought a battery for him and put it in his car.
Wow.
Not only is he going to buy from that store forever,
Yeah.
but he's going to tell everybody to go there.
Yes.
And you know, I mean, it's like you said, it's building a brand, but it's taking care of them and exceeding their expectations as much as you possibly can. Um, you know, and with us, it's not easy because you're talking about brand new technology. So
True.
you know, it's really, you know, a lot of it is a massive amount of support and a massive amount of hand holding and
Right.
things like that. But that's where we're at. So you know, it's like you said, you can have marketing plans, you can do emails, you can do social media. I try to think outside the box. I
Mhm.
really want to separate ourselves and be different and not be ordinary to every single person that's out there. And I think if you can do that, you know, as an owner of a business, whether if it's an e-commerce, whether if it's a retail, it doesn't matter what it is. It's really it, like you said, carving out why people should do business with you.
Mhm.
And we've heard it on this discussion today. I
Yeah.
mean, there's you know, like you said, but I think it's always innovating, cutting, like I said, thinking outside the box. I think that's what we all are as entrepreneurs.
Wonderful. That's extraordinary, I must say, and that's the best thing that a venture, a business decision maker can do for their customers is making sure that they're being valued. I think that that's the most important thing in today's time. Excellent.